Hello guys, so friends, today journey to my American area. So this train is look at me. This is a yellow color and so beauty and colorly this two train. So this is a normal passengers train. It's not a metro. It's a ordinary train. That's look at me. This speed R2 highly speed. So this is the area for American village area. Look at me, this place are to look at me. This area is very naturally and beautifully. So this look at me, this place. Okay, go too fast, go too fast. So this area is look at me, ordinarily area. Enjoy to my friends. So this trip always. So fast. Are too fast. Are closing. Enjoy friends. Our journey are too happy. So this moment, all are welcome to everyone. So we are not carefully. This area is man and woman, so it's not only this is a mill area. So these animals are into this place, but this area is not animal. Please look at me, this train metro. This is an ordinary train. So fast are 250 kilometers per hour. These are train are so ordinary train. Okay, this train R2. So this 16 degree R2 US. So look at this R2 beauty area and beauty place. So this coveraging area is forest and metro. This village area. So rural village area is anyway. Okay, fast. Okay. Fast. Fast. Okay. Come on, fast. Okay. Okay. Need to pass. So this area is coverage. Okay, fast. Okay. So this look at me, our American tribal village area is this coveraging. So not a beauty, this beauty area. So look at place. Very handsome naturally. Okay, thank you for friends. So you let them to watching. So please share this video your family and friends. So share and subscribe and channel. Your support are to welcome. So next day and next time. So we all will see. So this video is ended. Our journey has ended. Thank you.